Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac, and today we're going to be working on the Cadillac. So this button inside the car is sticky and it just doesn't really work very well, so we're just going to change it out. I'm hoping this is like a 5-minute job. Prayers for me. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're just going to take this trim piece off very carefully. Maybe. Okay. Oh, is this connected? What? Okay, well, let me move the seat back. Well, that wasn't helpful. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, it doesn't really move. This is the fun button that disables traction control and all that good stuff. So, I'm about to get in there, hold on. Based on looking at the new one, this clip and this clip seem to be what's holding it in. So, I'm gonna try and find that. Okay. Somebody definitely spilled coffee or something in there because it's nasty. All right, so let's unplug it. Maybe. Oh, there we go. That's disgusting. Okay. All right, so I should probably clean in there real quick. Oh. Let's go get something to do that. That's yucky. Yucky, yucky. All right, good enough. All right, clip it back in. Look, now it moves. All right, so it wasn't quite 5 minutes, but at least it wasn't, 30 minutes. All right, so we're gonna fire it up, make sure it works right before I put the panel back on. Vroom, vroom. All right. All right, that works about this. All right. Cool, all set. Scoot myself all the way back again. Just if you were wondering how short I am. All right, let me get the panel. So I was silly earlier. I didn't realize that the seat was like up. So this is gonna be easier to put back in. Just line up the clips. Nothing real fancy about that. Line up, line up. There we go. All right, good as new. Fun button is officially replaced. It means I can do all the burnouts I want. No, really before, you just had to fight the button, so you could make it work. It just was a pain in the butt. So not having to fight with that will be ideal. So if you have anything else that I should look into replacing that'll make the car easier for me to use, let me know in the comments and make sure you subscribe. I'll see you next week.